lovelies, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara, and today I'm going to be working on this swing that I made maybe a month or so ago, a month and a half ago. And I need to change this bar up here and kind of widen a little bit, and yeah, just keep it from bumping the sides like it's doing right now. So I'm gonna probably paint it as well, and after that I have one other project in the yard that I want to get done, so hold on. So the first thing I need to do is detach the swing from this up cross piece here. That should be pretty easy because I have kind of carabiner boats. Well, they're more sturdy than carabiners, but anyway, as you can see, I can just unscrew that and then take it down. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take everything down and then reassemble. So now I have to take these 2x10s out, or they were 2x10s. I cut them down to 2x5s, 4x5, sorry. I'm going to take these out. These were kind of just temporary because I'm going to put another 4x4 beam across the bottom to stabilize it better. And then, of course, one at the top here. This is the beam that I had here. It's 54 inches wide, and I think I'm going to put a beam that's 64 inches there because that would give me plenty of space on the sides where it won't like bump into the sides of the swing. So let me do that, and I'll be right back.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I are so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep in love. Yeah. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep in love. Yeah. Wait a minute. Don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah. Wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep in love. Yeah, cause you really get me. Make me fall.
All right, so I got up there. I got the little eye hooks up there so that I can put the hang the swing from it. So I'm gonna do that now. For some reason, my camera cut off while I was doing my time lapse. So I got it up there. It seems like it's a little lopsided. Hard to tell. I'll have to sit on it to really, let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's a little lopsided. I might have to adjust, I think, that side a little bit. But the next thing is to paint. All right, you guys, that's it for today. I will get back to it hopefully tomorrow. If it doesn't rain tonight, hopefully it won't. And we will paint this bad boy. It no longer hits the sides, which is great. I can swing freely. It's great. I'm so excited. But anyway, tomorrow, paint. All right, it's day 2. To work on this swing. I'm gonna paint it today finally, and then we'll be done. with this project. So let me get the paint and get to it.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. Ooh, yeah. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait.
So here it is, all painted white. I probably could do another coat of white paint on it. I probably will, but for right now, this is what she's looking like. I have to get that board off. It was attached to the bottom before, but the screw broke, so I have to figure out how to get that screw out of that board and detach it from the bottom there. But let me come around. This is the full look. So, okay, 2 coats of paint are on it. We are finished. I might lower it a little bit. It looks like it's a little uneven on that side, but other than that, we're done. Yay! So my next project is going to involve this area right next to my garage leading out to the alley. I'm going to remove all of this greenery here and then put a concrete pathway down here to line up with this concrete here. And then I'm going to add a fence along the side here with a door out to the alley. And the fence is going to go all the way up to this fence. Eventually I will replace all of this chain link fencing, but for now we're just going to do this area as a kind of trial run to see if I can really do the whole yard. Anyway, that's for the next project. All right, my lovelies, that is it. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I hope to see you for the next project. I'll be starting that next time. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell so you'll know when I upload that next video. Generally, I've been going like every 2 weeks. I think that just works better for me to get all my projects done to a point that I enjoy the project. So anyway, I will see you in the next video. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you next time, take care.